My dear students, learn with dedication and enthusiasm. Seek knowledge, wisdom, and character. I am the source of all knowledge, trust in me. Remember, education is not just about academics, but also about developing a strong character, compassion, and kindness. Cultivate these qualities, and you will shine in life. Have faith in yourself, your teachers, and your abilities. Sabori, that is patience, and perseverance will help you overcome challenges and achieve success. Om Sai Ram, chant these words, and feel my divine guidance. I am always with you, inspiring and guiding you to reach your full potential. Om Sai Ram.